Sabudana, the star of every Navratri plate. Whether it's in a Khichdi form or a vada or a kheer, you name it. But pause for a second. What is Sabudana really? Where does it come from? Is it actually the superfood we've been made to believe, or just processed starch dressed up in tradition? Here's the first twist. Sabudana isn't a grain. It doesn't grow in our fields. It starts as cassava, a starchy tuber that looks like a fat long potato. Native to South America, over time it spread across the tropics and now a staple in Africa, Southeast Asia and also parts of India. In Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, cassava is grown in bulk. But here, we don't really eat it. We process it. Peel it, crush it, wash it until all that's left is starch. That starch is rolled into tiny white balls and sun-dried. Those pearls that you soak before cooking, they are not ancient, they are not whole. They are just industrial starch. No fiber, no protein, no real nutrients, just plain processed carbs. So why the health halo really? Because it's light, it digests easy, it gives you a quick energy hit, and of course, it's gluten-free. That's the pitch. That's what makes Sabudana a fasting favorite and eventually a so-called superfood. But here's the part nobody talks about. Sabudana spikes your blood sugar fast, then drops it even faster. It doesn't keep you full, it doesn't build strength. For diabetics, it's a no-go. For everyone else, it's basically empty calories. Comfort food, yes. Nutritious food, not really. But let's not oversimplify. Back in the day, our ancestors were eating it, right? The catch is, they weren't eating it alone. They paired it with roasted peanuts, with potatoes, with ghee, sometimes yogurt. These combinations matter. The fat, the protein, the satiety, all comes from the add-ons, not the pearls in the starch. Also, preparation changes things. You cook Sabudana, cool it, let it sit. Some of that starch actually turns resistant, a type your gut bacteria actually loves. It's a small win, but it's there. And here's another truth. Sabudana is cheap. It stores forever. It's easy to transport, quick to cook, and doesn't spoil. For millions, it's practical. It works. Not because it's a miracle food, but because it's a reliable one. So how did Sabudana become the face of fasting really? Because tradition said no grains, no pulses, no meat, no garlic. So what's left? Fruits, dairy, root vegetables and starches like Sabudana. It fits the rule, it digested easy, it did the job. Sabudana didn't earn its place on the plate because it was nutritious. It earned it because it was neutral. And here's something modern diets often forget to mention. Sabudana is allergen friendly. No wheat, no gluten, no dairy, no soy. For people with multiple intolerances, that's a rare win. So let's call it like it is. Sabudana isn't a villain, but it's clearly not a superfood either. It's tradition, not nutrition. It's fast fuel, not long-term strength. It's carbs, comfort and culture rolled into a tiny little pearl. So go ahead, enjoy your khichdi if you want. Just don't expect magic in every spoon.